Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's been thinking about creating an online course, selling digital products, or building your own e-learning platform but didn't know where to start, then stick around. Today I'm diving into something that honestly surprised me, CoursemateAi 2.0. It's being hyped up a lot in the digital marketing space, so I spent some time with it to see if it actually delivers. So let me start by saying, the e-learning industry is exploding. Whether you're an educator, freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone who has knowledge to share, creating and selling online courses is a powerful way to build income. But the problem for most people is obvious. There's a huge learning curve. Building a website, creating video content, writing eBooks, handling design, and marketing your course all sound great in theory. But in practice, it's a massive task. That's where CoursemateAi 2.0 comes in. What I found interesting is that this platform promises to take all of that work and compress it into just a few clicks. It's branded as an AI-powered app that lets you generate full e-learning platforms from just a keyword. Sounds wild, right? So I gave it a real test drive. After logging in, the dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to find your way around. The first thing it asks you to do is input a keyword, something like digital marketing, self-care, or even learning French. And from there, it starts building. I'm talking full-blown courses, eBooks, training videos, even children's books. It's like content creation on steroids. Now, let me be clear. The AI-generated content isn't Pulitzer Prize winning, but it's surprisingly good as a base. You can definitely tweak it, personalize it, and make it your own. And if you're someone who struggles with writer's block or just doesn't have time to sit and write for hours, this is a total lifesaver. I tried it with a few different niches, and every time it produced solid, structured content that you could actually publish and sell. Another thing I really appreciated is how the platform lets you manage your entire e-learning business from one place. You can set up your own domains, organize multiple courses, create pricing models, and even manage subscriptions. For someone who wants to build their own version of Udemy or Coursera but without the overhead, this really feels like a shortcut to getting there. Plus, CourseMateAi 2.0 comes with built-in tools that generate flipbooks, PDFs, quizzes, whiteboard training videos, the kind of stuff that usually takes hours to create. All of it is handled by AI. You just enter a keyword, and it starts building. I'm not exaggerating when I say that within 5 to 10 minutes, I had a publish-ready course website that looked and felt professional. Now let's talk money. One of the coolest things about CourseMateAi 2.0 is that it comes with an agency license. That means you're not just limited to creating your own content. You can actually use the platform to build courses, books, and training tools for other people. Think clients, schools, small businesses, coaches, anyone who wants an e-learning presence but doesn't know how to create one. That opens up a whole new revenue stream for freelancers or digital marketers looking to expand their service offerings. And what impressed me most is the price. Right now, it's a one-time payment that's pretty affordable considering what you get. No monthly fees, no sneaky upsells to access basic features. But I should mention, the creators behind it, Fire Launchers and Eric Holmland, do plan on raising the price as they add more features. So if you're even a little bit interested, it might be smart to get in early. In terms of performance, I didn't run into any glitches, and the export features worked smoothly. Payment integrations are included too, which means you can start making sales right away. Whether you're selling an ebook for a few dollars or a full video course for a higher price, it's all connected and ready to go. So overall, CourseMateAi 2.0 feels like a genuinely helpful tool for anyone who wants to break into the online education space without spending weeks building things manually or hiring expensive freelancers. It's not perfect, but it's definitely powerful and honestly kind of fun to use. If you've been waiting for a sign to start your own e-learning business, this could be it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more deep dives like this. Catch you in the next video.